These are your tool holders. Also, they come with mounting hardware. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, and they give you 2 screws for each one. There's like 4 of them in the pack, so there's a bunch of different packs. You can install all 4 if you want. You can just do 2 or 1. You can go vertical or sideways, whichever works best for you. But what we're gonna start with is we're gonna grab these screws. We're gonna go through this little plastic washer here. Same thing with the other one. We're gonna hold on to the others for a little bit. So what these are gonna do is go through here. And these are gonna mount through your holes that are in this bracket. Again, there's different sets of holes you can pick. So you could go either sideways or vertical. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the top one. I'm gonna line it up, go ahead and start it. Okay, now I'm gonna try and start the other one. So I got the second one lined up. I'm gonna screw it in like this. Same with the top. Once that's in, we're gonna get our plastic pieces. Now on the other side, these are gonna mount on your screws. You just kind of turn them, because you'll notice it's a little loose now. These should help tighten it up. This one on the bottom. There we go. And I'll just tighten it up a little bit. There we go, so our tool holders are tight. Lastly, you have these black plastic caps that are just going to cover that. Keep in mind, these screws do poke out a little bit, so just be a little extra careful when you're leaning your seat back all the way, because it will, you got an extra inch or so poking out that way, or if you want to mount this higher, you can set it up higher. These are the tool holders for the Canopy. They have these 2 roller wheels that'll hold whatever tools fit in between them. You can mount them vertically like this one or horizontally. There's different sets of holes you can mount it in. And then basically whatever tools fit in, like for example my Allen wrench, tension holds it in place. So you can mount screwdrivers, Allen wrenches, whatever you need that fits in between these, but these are the tool holders.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.